something this evening, something very, very simple. A short poem. Oh, I'm dedicating this especially to Matthew. The poem is called My Code. Thank the lucky stars that I'm not alone. I'm fortunate to have my trusty comb. Where would I be if my hair comb was gone? My hair would look uneven, like a patch of jagged lawn. Your bristles are so sharp, they're plastic to the max. With you in my pocket, I know I can relax. Yes, you may look dull and black, but that's all right by me. Just keep my hair looking great and shining naturally. Thank you.